Hey guys, this Crypto she does it all, a little bit of everything. I'm going to read this article to you that Elon Musk says that the Fed should cut interest rate by half a point after Bill Ackman asked for a pause. So let's see. This is the richest man alive right now. He might have a point, okay? So let me see what's going on. How exactly should the Fed Reserve stop a banking crisis while trying to douse inflation at the same time? That's the pivotal question confronting the Federal Open Market Committee when it starts a two-day meeting on Tuesday. And increasingly, there are voices arguing that the Fed should stand pat, including the economics team at Goldman Sachs. Bill Auckland, the high-profile Pershing Square hedge fund manager who made an astute bet that rates would have to raise last year, took to Twitter to ask for a pause. We have had a number of major shocks to the system. 3 U.S. bank closures in a week, wiping out equity and bond holders, said Ackerman, referring to Silvergate Bank, SVB Financial, and Signature Bank. The demise of Credit Suisse and the zeroing of its junior bank holders. First Republic depositors that haven't left already will not be comforted by Monday's stock price performance. This banking crisis remains unsolved, and higher rates won't help. Elon Musk, the chief executive of Tesla, in Twitter replied to the Ackerman tweet and called for the central bank to go further. Fed needs to drop the rate by at least 50 basis points on Wednesday, he said. It's not clear what Ackerman thinks of that idea, as he got sidetracked by another issue. Ackerman complained that he didn't see the Musk tweet until a friend pointed it out. There should be a way to rank other replies by most followed, or this should be default, lamented Ackerman. As for Musk's policy idea, only one bank, Nomura, is heading into the meeting calling for a rate cut. It's calling for a 25 basis point cut. A reduction would have the advantage of boosting the bonds that have fallen in value on bank balance sheets. And while investors could cheer, they could equally panic at the idea of such bold Fed action. Musk also endorsed the idea of a temporary insurance on all deposits above the $250,000 that is already guaranteed by the Federal Deposits Insurance Corp. Reports indicate the Treasury is looking into doing that without congressional approval. Okay, we're getting somewhere then. We are getting somewhere. Anyhow, the Buzz Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said the government was willing to make further intervention if needed to backstop deposits. First Republican Bank, FRC 29.47, has hired JP Morgan to advise on strategic alternative, including a capital raise or sale, CNBC reported, citing source. The Financial Services Forum is holding a meeting on Tuesday with chief executives of the nation's top banks in attendance. Moody's lowered the outlook on the USB 11.97% credit rating to negative after its $3 billion deal to buy Credit Suisse. With the Swiss government's help, Moody's say the transaction poses significant financial, cultural, and franchise-related integrations challenges. Anyhow, I wanted to let you guys know what Elon Musk think. Should we go half should we go 25 basis point, 50 basis point? At the end of the day, we're not going to stress ourselves out. Just wait and see what Joe Powell decided tomorrow after the FOMC meeting. Again, I thought it was important. You know, the world richest man has an opinion, and we all should know what he thinks about the whole collapse. Okay, and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about the whole thing. May God bless you. Crypto Marie, she does it all, a little bit of everything. Bye.